This is my 1972 Fiat-Allis HD21 bulldozer, and unfortunately the other day when I was using it, I ran a tree through the grill, and I do not know if it has messed up the radiator or not. In there you can see that it has surely dented the radiator up some. So I'm going to put a little water and antifreeze in it and see if it's leaking. If it is, I've got quite a bit of work to do. I have to take off the roll cage up there, take off a plate, this plate here has to come off, and some bolts down below, and then I can pull it out the top. But hopefully it's not leaking. Hopefully it's just low on water. But regardless, I'm going to have to take this grill off and do a little metal patchwork there. So we'll see what we come up with here in a few minutes. Well, I have topped the radiator off with water and antifreeze, and amazingly nothing is leaking out. So now we're going to go start this big bad boy up and let it run a while and warm up and see if she's leaking or if she's good to go. And if it is, we will be able to go back to clearing up all that undergrowth over there in this field. These right here are very necessary for this dozer, these earmuffs, because this thing is loud. I tell you, loud. So we'll give it a little fuel, push the start button, and see what happens. So we'll let this thing sit and run for a while and warm up and see what it acts like. Okay, the dozer engine is warmed up now, 190 degrees, and it's staying there. Let's go see if we got any leaks. Can't see anything bubbling out. How about you? Plus, I don't see anything running down here, which it would be doing if it were leaking. So I think we got lucky on this one. Now we just got to take that top piece of the grill out and weld up that big gaping hole over there. I figured I'd take just a moment to tell you a little bit more about this dozer, and also to let you get a better feel for the sheer size of it. As I said before, this is a Fiat-Allis HD21 that is comparable to a Caterpillar D8K, which was also made in the 70s. The best I can tell, this dozer is about a 72 or 73, somewhere in there. It's got a, I believe it's an 844 cubic inch Allis motor in it. It's big. It's 200 and something horsepower. I can't remember exactly what. The machine itself, according to the book, is only supposed to be 52,000 pounds, but I think it weighs a little more than that because you have to include the weight of the blade and also the weight of that roll cage, because that was not standard back when this dozer was made. The hood, I believe, on that machine, according to the book, is like, I don't know, 7 or 8 feet high. And it's a big machine. It's the biggest dozer I've ever run, that's for sure. There's not much that I try to take down that gives me much resistance in falling. But anyway, that's my dozer.